project which has been done in partnership with Gram Panchayat, Mid-Himalayan MSWDP is a Mid-Himalayan project, which is the name of my project, and Forest Department as well as community group. We four have signed an agreement. There is a legally bound agreement we have signed among the communities. This agreement was designed with wide consultation at a very wide forum with the communities, and this has been vetted by our cabinet and vetted by our government. So this is a very good agreement we have devised for implementing this project. The main objective of this project was to improve the productive potential of watershed catchment. So the basic objective was to improve the watershed catchment area and improve the livelihood income, as all other projects are also doing. Guiding principles were, we use the native and local species only. We don't take the outside species. Communities, we involve communities in afforestation effort very heavily in this, and technical and financial support is given by the Mid-Himalayan project, and carbon revenues are directly going to the community through us, and I'll also tell you how they are flowing through community. The title of project is this: Improving Livelihood Through Watershed. Start date is 2006. Expected operational time of this project is 60 years. We have signed an ERPA agreement. ERPA is the energy purchase agreement with the World Bank for up to 2017. So all our carbon credits are already sold through World Bank, and Spain is the government which has purchased this credit. Proponents are Forest Department, Himachal Pradesh. Project partners are Government of HP, World Bank, and Government of Spain. So World Bank Carbon Fund is helping us to do all these things. The area is 4,003 hectares. Initially we started with 10,000 hectares of the area in all 10 districts, but because of the stringent verification and validation requirements, the area got reduced to, this is just a pilot of 4,003 hectares. GPs, there are 177 Gram Panchayats involved in the process. Number of parcels are 420 parcels. This number is bad, but sorry, we have this number only. These 420 parcels are distributed throughout the.
Parcel ka kya matlab?
Parcels means piece of land.
Piece of land. Okay.
The size of the land parcel, the forest parcel, is 1 hectare to 150 hectares in size. Land status: most of this land belong to the community or are the degraded forest. Transfer of technologies we are not discussing. Methodology: this is a typical methodology, UNFCCC guidelines, AR ACM 001. We do not go into detail of this because methodology defines us how to make a project. Carbon pool selected is above ground biomass, below ground biomass, and
I think people here would like to know what is happening and what is being done. So if you can skip some of these issues and move to that, I think it will be better. In the interest of time, I'm sorry. I mean, it's just a question of time issue. Because this is very interesting.
You know, this area is distributed over throughout the how we identified the land, because this was identified. There is a requirement that all this land must belong to the non-forest area, and there was no forest growing in this area in 1990. So we utilized the Landsat imagery and 2004 IRS imagery with the help of Forest Survey of India to prove that this was eligible land, because proving the eligible land itself is a big issue. No land can be made eligible without until it is proved that as per the Kyoto Protocol guidelines, it has to be non-forest area, it has to be very poorly stocked area in 1990. This is another analysis.
So you have to prove that in 1990 that area was deforested.
Yes, deforested, was devoid of any forest. So initially we have submitted around 960 numbers of the parcels. Now we have got down to 420 only. So there was a reduction in the size because we could not qualify